Hi, I'm Shabs.
And I'm Kim, and we're from Syncro Gearboxes.
And we're happy to welcome you into our new website, the largest dedicated Land Rover gearbox parts store in the world. We offer a wide range of quality replacement gearbox parts, as well as some awesome upgrades, many of which are designed here in-house.
You may have heard of our SLICKSHIFT. These are a fantastic upgrade for people like you who are looking to get the best possible drivability from their Land Rovers. If you want to find out more about our SLICKSHIFT range, click on the SLICKSHIFT tab from the categories menu above.
We cover a wide range of Land Rover gearboxes, from Series to Defender, Range Rover to Discovery. We even have our own complete overhaul kits. These contain everything you'll need to bring your Land Rover back to life. If you're looking for something a little bit more extreme, we've got a huge range of adapter kits. So whether you're looking for a big V8 conversion, an economical diesel, or even a futuristic EV, we've got something suitable for your unique build.
Our website is really easy to navigate. To find what you need, you can browse through our products using the categories menu, or if you have something more specific in mind, type in the search bar at the top of the page. On the top menu, you'll find workshop manuals, stacks of fitting videos, as well as all of the delivery and returns info that you'll need.
So while you're here, take a minute to check out the Your Rides link above. Here, we feature vehicles from our tribe, friends and customers like you who just want to share their pride and joy. So take a look around, spend a little time, and if you can't find what you need, hit the contact tab above and we'd be more than happy to help.